Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send USDT using TRC20 on Binance in 2025. If you're looking to transfer your Tether, USDT, quickly and securely using the TRC20 network, you're in the right place. This method is popular because it's fast and has lower fees compared to other networks. But remember, crypto can be tricky, so always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. First things first, make sure you have a Binance account set up and some USDT in your spot wallet. If you don't have an account, head over to the Binance website or app and create one. It's straightforward and free. Once you're logged in, let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open your Binance app or website and log in securely. Go to the Wallet section, then select Fiat and Spot to view your balances. Step 2. Find your USDT balance and click on Withdraw. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an option to choose the network. Make sure you select TRC20. It's crucial to pick the right one because using the wrong network could lead to lost funds. Step 3. Enter the recipient's TRC20 wallet address. Double-check this address. It's like a bank account number, so one wrong character could send your USDT to the wrong place. Then, input the amount you want to send. Binance will show you the estimated fees, which are usually pretty low for TRC20. Step 4. Review everything on the confirmation page. This includes the amount, fees, and recipient address. If all looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your 2FA for added security. Step 5. Once sent, track your transaction on the blockchain using explorers like TRON. It should arrive in minutes, but keep an eye on it to ensure it goes through smoothly. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transaction if you're new to this. Also, be aware that crypto markets can be volatile, so timing your transfers wisely is key. There you have it. That's how you send USDT using TRC20 on Binance in 2025. It's simple once you get the hang of it. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.